Hello class, my name is Colin Bell. Please bear with me, this is my first experience recording a video for a class. In this presentation I will be giving various examples of social responsibilities as it relates to business. The three main points I am going to touch on are charitable giving, environmental initiatives, and economic responsibility. My first point is charitable giving. Glassdoor.com indicates that Kellogg is one of 17 companies that is committed to fight hunger. It states Kellogg has a global signature clause called Breakfast for Better Days, which creates 3 billion better days for people in need. Kellogg, along with its employees, will accomplish this goal by volunteering at local food banks, working with nonprofit partners to help more kids in need have access to breakfast. Also by donating food to disaster sites and hunger relief programs, and by supporting programs for smallholder and women farmers to help them increase yields and income. My second point is environmental initiatives. NorCalCompactors.net states Nike is a company with a great environmental initiative. The article goes on to state that the company is keen to highlight the value of green initiatives through its advertising, in addition to putting the great ideas in practice. Its line of products is made using environmentally preferred materials such as recycled polyester. The company also uses renewable energy sources in manufacturing. Nike has also pressed 650 of its suppliers in 52 countries to develop and implement written environmental policies, hence helping our environment. My last point is economic responsibility. According to TheBalance.com, the BP oil spill began when the Deepwater Horizon rig exploded in April 2010. 11 of the 126 workers were killed by this explosion. In the first month, BP spilled 3 million gallons of oil in the Gulf, 3 times that of the Exxon Valdez oil spill. Oil leaked into the Gulf of Mexico for the next 3 months, resulted in the biggest oil disaster in United States history. Scientists estimated 184 million gallons were spilled. This is 18 times the amount spilled by the Exxon Valdez. This oil spill had a great economic impact. The Gulf fishing and tourism industries produced $3.5 billion to $4.5 billion a year. It cost BP $4 billion to contain and clean up the mess, another $4 billion to $5 billion in penalties. In conclusion, I have given 3 aspects of social responsibility as it relates to business. Number 1, being charitable giving. That's where I used the example with Kellogg. Second aspect is environmental initiatives, where I use the Nike reference. The last social responsibility I used or stated was economic responsibility, where I used the BP oil spill example. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.